Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And now, wait a minute, I just saw it. Okay, now, okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And now I wanna make a tutorial again, but it's not annoying again because it's a Photoshop. Like I said, I wanna make tutorial Photoshop in last video, in annoying video about Premiere. Okay, and now let's open the Photoshop, but yes, I forgot about open Photoshop. And here are my Photoshop. And it's a warning. I'm use 2017. Okay. And now in this tutorial, I wanna make a tutorial about what name uh about how to change a background. Okay. Okay. As we are like take a picture from free pic or unflash, just unflash. Okay. Maybe a little go to here because my back is sick, not sick. Uh, I, I don't know what name, but why I'm not use a batik because my batik is clean, it's white in wash because I like I'm Jum'at in my masjid, and in there have many people not use mask, and I so panic, and I take a bath after that. Okay, search this man, and maybe this or this. Hmm, this. Oh, not. Okay, after that we are open Finder. Okay, Finder, where are you? Okay, my so what is this? Oh, okay. And now Jacob opens. But what's this? So what is this? Uh, Aurora Media. Okay, you not don't see that. Aurora Media. I'm just subscribe that channel because maybe it's interesting, and I'm doing his Discord in 700 people, not a 1000. Okay, it's not important. And now we are next to the. Oops, sorry. Maybe you can subscribe or I made it. Yeah, of VTuber. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. It's a recommendation. It's not promotion or anything. Okay. And okay, I forget tutorial. Man, okay. Wait a minute. We are. Maybe this. We are delete that. Delete. Nah. Now we are go to here. My charger. We are go to selection tool and selection tool. Go to quick selection tool and yes, quick selection tool. Click that and maybe you will press this plus some press tumble plus and you like this. You can follow me like you give this to here or here body. Maybe next time I will make a tutorial how to a basic because it's not basic, man. It's not a basic. A little hard, maybe. For me, it's a little hard. Not hard, actually. Because if hard, I'm not. Uh, I still learn English, but now I'm learning English. Why? Because I have a like pro to do this. Okay, I what name? Make it a little. Why? Because it's a little hard, and if you wanna make a little, you can use in wait a minute in here. Nah, in here, okay. Okay, command that. Ah, my bad. Okay, we are make a good tutorial. We are not make annoying tutorial. I don't know in 5 years again or maybe 20 years again. I don't know. Okay. Is nah. No, my bad. Nah. Nah. If we are done to make this, oh my bad. If we are done, we go to here. Some Japan's. Yeah, I don't know what name, and or we are press it at next, and we're community, and we are the let compiler in here. If I play a song, if you heard or no, you can comment. Okay, maybe this. It's not really good. Okay, and we are go to this. I forget the name, and we are go to soy color. And maybe we are go to red. Okay, red color. Nah, in here, but like this, just like this. But if you wanna good pictures, maybe I'm wrong. Pick a picture, okay? Maybe I search in my Finder. Pictures, pictures. Uh, can you this Harden? Oh no. Oh this. Okay, we are use this. We are use this. And if you ask who is this, is my sister. And oh, I remember she is in Medan because my father is a Medan people. Okay, and something like this. But his picture is a little good maybe, but his face not. Okay, we are mixed little. Okay, if we are then like this, nah, we are nah, but we are commanded that first. Oh, yes. And this, if we are done to make this a solid color like this, and we are because it's like yellow, we are make a background yellow, and maybe we are a little edit like a filter, convert to small filter. Okay. Oh, oh, I'm wrong. Oh, okay. Nah, no. Maybe I hear. Nah, filter, we are convert to smart filter. Okay, nah, and now we are go to the sharpen and unsharp max. We are and 112 and a filter. No. In image, we are in rotation, clockwise, and filter, sharpen again, and sharpness. Okay. Maybe comfort smart object. Okay. And unsharpness, maybe we are not in 112, but maybe 17, 70 or 50, 50, 50. Okay, we are 50 and we are edit. I don't know, is this my verification? I not see tutorial in this, okay? And we are filter and sharpness. And okay, and sharpness again. Edit image rotation clockwise again. Filter and sharpness again. Okay. Edit image rotation and clockwise again. Filter rotation and sharpness again. Okay. Image rotation and clockwise. Filter and sharpness again. Maybe if you don't see it, you can see how to extend, right? And maybe we are go to the color field and we are to make it a gradient. Blue, stylish, or for gradient, okay, blending option. Okay. Maybe we are use this and we are go to okay. I'm in a tutorial, right? Yes, we are go to blending option and go to gradient overlay and we are choose this, okay? Okay, and we are go to okay and we are go to brush tool. Okay, now and with the opacity we are go to 20%. Okay. Okay. Make a mistake. I'm calling cards. Or make so. And what I mean, make this because what name? Uh, like it or like a background, okay? Like solid yellow light. And in here we go to my bad. And we go to 19%. It's not good, not good. No. We go to here, we go to here, we go to here, we go. Okay, wait, it's not. Why? Oh, okay. It's my bad. Okay. It's felt, but and how to make this? Wait a minute. It have a 15 minutes 30 second, but okay. I wanna make a tutorial. Not tutorial. Explain that. What my mistake here. First, my mistake. I forget how make a background. If I wanna make like this, maybe the man is like these pictures. Where? Nah, this picture, okay. And we go to in here and right side and on left side. We go to is purple and then purple and blue. But we are used not we are use not a background and see how what happened like this. Okay, we are why it cannot tell that. Okay, it's not, no, okay. And third, the blending of and the unsharpness. Unsharpness is we go to like need one name render or blur or anything, but I'm just use unsharpness. And if we are go to unsharpness, maybe in here like this. Unsharpness is used for cartoon. Okay, maybe it's done. And okay, I stop recording again. My name is Faidal. Back to you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.